Okay, so thankfully I'm wrong. The Moorish room is not gone. It's actually in good shape and it's here. So I'll take a look at it. But before we go there, I wanted to see this guy's fishing with plastic that he makes from garbage. It's all interesting. I think the most interesting part of it, though, is that he's in Jamaica Bay catching fish that we can catch and throw out all the time. But he's doing it with plastics. That makes him a fisherman, but that's okay. It's still an interesting exhibit. I'm not particularly excited by it. But here are some of the period rooms that I'm glad are not gone yet. Here's the doorway. This used to be explained to be on Catalia Road, but it's not Catalia Road anymore. Now here's one. The Gothic Library Revival. And they still have the playthings. I'm glad to see that they decided to keep this because it is an important part of our cultural heritage and part of Brooklyn. It was part of the reason why the Brooklyn Museum was created in the first place. And they did a good job of fixing this, so congratulations to the people I was just cursing out a minute ago. They did still take out the period houses, though, which still annoys me to no end. But these rooms are prime, and I'm glad that they're fixed. Look at that ceiling work. You see that stuff, but you don't see it working. Or like this, it looks like garbage when you see it in places around the city. Look at that ceiling. I'll come back and I'll take some photographs. And then you come down here, up the staircase, and this is closed, I don't know why. Okay. Now this is the most outstanding one of them all. I've been to many, many different museums with many, many different rooms, interior decorations, and so on and so forth. This is even better than the work in the Met with I forgot his name. But this interior is unsurpassable. Frank Lloyd Wright, that was the name. The Met has the Frank Lloyd Wright House. The Brooklyn Museum has the Rockefeller Moorish Room, which is just fabulous. Look at that work.
But he wasn't
That ceiling.
well. So how does a person like that?
The design is just fabulous. I don't know if these were the furnishings that were in here originally years ago. I think not, but I could be wrong. All right.